In this video, I will show you how to do a Remitly money transfer to Bangladesh. So to do this, just head over to remitly.com or go and download the Remitly app on your phone. Then from here, make sure that your country and the country we're sending to are set correctly. If it isn't, for me, for example, it's set to China, then you want to click on the drop down and then here just search for Bangladesh. And then select it and make sure that the country that you are from is also set correctly. Now, sending to Bangladesh, there is a 2.5% cashback incentive for your recipient on transfers. So that is very cool, but just gonna pick how much you want to send. For example, I will say 3,000, so that's how much the recipient will receive. And on your first transfer, you don't have to pay any fees. So then click on get this rate. And now from here, if you don't have an account yet, just gonna click sign up, and signing up should only take about 1 or 2 minutes, but I already have an account. So I'll just sign into my account right now. Now for me, the country was reset to sending to China. So make sure it says Bangladesh. If it doesn't, then just click on the current country and again, gonna select Bangladesh. Then here click send money. And again, enter how much you want to send and then just click on continue. Then here choose the delivery method. So right now you have mobile money, bank deposit and cash pickup. So this is how you want the money to be delivered to your recipient in Bangladesh. For example, I'll pick mobile money and now you can see currently they only have bKash available. So I'll go with bKash. Then enter your recipient's first and last name and then enter their mobile number right here. Then choose if you want the recipient to receive notifications and then choose the reason for sending and then the relationship to the recipient. Then select a payment method that you want to use to pay for the transfer. So for me, I can only add a card and then choose debit or credit card if you also picked a card and just enter your payment details, click on next, and then you will see an overview of all the details. So make sure that that is all correct. And if it is, then go and pay for it and confirm it. And then the money will be on its way to your recipient in Bangladesh. So now you know how to do a Remitly money transfer to Bangladesh. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.